Chicmas, day 23. Good evening, you guys. It's a late start to Chicmas, but the whole day all I really did, well, besides spend time with the fam, edit yesterday's Chicmas. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. It was our experience at the Funko Hollywood, where we also got to create our own Funko Pop, which are these things right here. Darren's a huge fan of Funko Pop, so he really wanted to check that out. But in yesterday's Chicmas, I told you that we're gonna finally tackle that one task that I really just needed to do, and that is the vanity table. This is the situation that's going on right now, which really doesn't look that bad, honestly. But the problem is really inside the drawers, which you guys are gonna see once I open these drawers. It's a freaking disaster. So we are gonna tackle it. Are you guys ready to see the disaster? Tell you that this is a mess. It's a mess, right? It's a complete disaster, and it's honestly embarrassing, but you know what? This is definitely the real deal right now. Clean out all the junk, put away the items, which I'm going to switch out and put in my Alex drawers, and then we're just gonna leave a few of the items that we're using in these drawers. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you I switched out the knobs of this vanity table for these rose quartz ones, and this one is loose. I need to screw it back in. So we have one drawer which we decluttered, organized, cleaned, and then the rest of the items are right here, which are mostly lip products, which really should go in that container, in this one right here. So I'm gonna put those away later, but at least now I can finally see everything without having to dig for it. Now let's tackle the other side. Here is the second drawer, all cleaned and tidied up. We were able to throw away the trash, at least organize everything. This pile right here, primers, some foundations, some palettes. What else? I think that's it. Some eye products as well. This is more of like the everyday makeup drawer. So these products, I'm going to put them inside the Alex drawers because this is where I store the rest of my makeup. And here's the vanity table. It's all clean. I put everything away, everything that was on top of the vanity table. So let's open it so you guys can see the final product. Nice and tidy for the everyday makeup drawer. And then here's the other side. It's so satisfying to see it this clean. Now I'm just curious how long it will stay like this. Hopefully at least for a week or two. I just forgot one thing, the Hello Kitty mirror. Maybe we could just, I mean, she's just too pretty not to display, but it's okay, probably later on when we put away the Christmas decorations, so she'll just have to go. I mean, will she even fit in there for now? She'll just have to go in there for now, but that's okay. At least still nice and clean. We are finally going to wrap presents. It's 11:45 at night. I thought we weren't going to be able to do it, but Thank you, Darren, for helping me wrap the presents. So let's start wrapping. Just rate these two, please.
Up to the camera.
Darren! Oh my. Alright, so that was very interesting wrapping.
Alright. I'll do mine really quick so I could go play Call of Duty.
Alright.
What's today? The 24th. So I need to open.
No. Today's.
Oh, today's the 23rd.
Okay,
so I'll do the 22nd.
22nd.
Oh, Jan Livingston.
Who's that? What character is that supposed to be?
She's. I don't know how to explain it to you since you don't watch the show. She's the main character's ex.
You know what time it is. It is time for us to have tea together. We only have just today, tomorrow, and then the 25th. He wants me to catch something.
This is all on you, whether you have a good Christmas or not.
Darren,
Oh, you caught it for once. Good job.
saved Hello Kitty. This is my gift from Darren, and I'm the one who's supposed to wrap it. Darren, why don't you just wrap it really quickly? Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and open the 24 Reasons to Smile T2 Advent Calendar day number 23. Right there. You guys get the first look. So when in doubt, loosely flavored fruit tisane. Today's tea is called Twinkleberry. Smells sweet and fruity. Let's just hope there's no aftertaste like yesterday's tea. Jonathan and I were supposed to watch Matrix Resurrection. Is it Resurrections on HBO Max? But he ended up falling asleep for a bit. And then when he woke up, he wanted to watch it, but I was already starting to watch Emily in Paris because I just found out tonight that there are new episodes. So I think maybe tomorrow we'll watch it. Apple, raspberry, bee root, and pretty petals create a blushing brew. A berry tisane that tastes like a fresh punnet from the market. Perfect chilled on a summer evening or hot when you want to rug up. And the steep time is 3 to 5 minutes. I don't really like how it says pretty petals. So let's just hope. I'm crossing my fingers that it's not florally. Okay, let's go ahead and open the XO Marshmallow Advent Calendar day 23. Come on, let it be a good one today. Let's see, and it says, today's hint, find me on your tree for good luck. Find me on your tree for good luck? I think I know what this is. Darren!
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here, try this one.
What is it?
I don't know, it looks interesting.
What's it called?
This is the, I don't know the name of it though.
No, it's okay because I'm gonna drink, so.
No, it's called Find Me on Your Tree for Good Luck. Just try it. I don't know. There are only like 2 more days left. Wait, today, yeah, 2 more days left. I haven't tried it yet, but look. So green. Maybe it's, hold on, that much. And then here, I'll try some.
Dude, oh, it smells like vinegar.
Maybe it's the patisse.
I'm not eating
No,
it.
just try it.
You had patisse on your fingers.
Just try it.
Yeah, it smelled like patisse.
Patisse is fish sauce. Darren,
No,
just try it.
No, you had fish sauce on your hands.
No, I didn't.
No, but why does it smell like patisse then? You taste the patisse, don't you? You taste the patisse.
I already know what this is.
What is it? What is it?
Locking it in, it's pickle.
Pickle?
It's pickle.
That's disgusting. You tried to make me eat a pickle marshmallow? No,
Okay, this actually tastes okay. It's just weird. The scent smells like relish in a way, but the taste isn't bad for it being a pickle flavored marshmallow. I just wish we would have got them. The aroma of the marshmallow really gave it away. I already had a feeling. I kind of wish you didn't smell it, but that would have been good if we got them. Let's hope this doesn't taste like petals. You can definitely taste the berries more than the petals flavor. It reminds me a little bit of pomegranate in a way. One more sip. This one's good. All right, chickies, so I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 23 here. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. I know when you are watching this, it's gonna be Christmas Eve. So to all of you who celebrate Christmas, I just wanna say a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holidays to all of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your loved ones. Everybody stay safe out there. Very merry, happy holidays from our family to yours. And I just want to thank you guys so much for hanging out for Chicmas day 23. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you tomorrow for Chicmas day 24.